This project entailed the engineering and coordination of a 1,200 square foot residential addition in Long Beach, California. The primary objective was to integrate the new structure seamlessly with the existing home. We ensured full compliance with structural, MEP, and California Title 24 energy requirements. Our focus was on stability. We established continuous gravity and lateral load paths between the new addition and the existing building. Framing connections and beams were carefully designed to meet California's strict seismic codes. We coordinated the HVAC system directly within the framing structure. Duct routing was planned to maintain required clearances, avoiding conflicts while ensuring efficient airflow. Electrical planning involved precise lighting and power distribution, aligned with mechanical systems for safety. Similarly, plumbing extensions were carefully integrated into the structural layout to maintain full functionality. The project also met California Title 24 standards, ensuring insulation, lighting, and mechanical systems achieved maximum energy efficiency. This project proves that when engineering disciplines work together, the result is a safe, efficient, and fully coordinated build. Are you planning a similar residential addition? Ensure your project is structurally sound and fully compliant. For expert structural, MEP, and Title 24 engineering, visit our website or contact us directly. Let's build your vision together.